Thank you for joining me for class today. My name is Sarah with Midsummer Yoga, and I'm working through my mobility series. This one is going to target our abs and our arms today. So we're going to get started in a seated position. Make sure that your spine is nice and long, grounded into the mat. We're going to inhale up, and we're going to lean to our left side, stretching our right arm overhead, stretching that side body, making sure that we're nice and tall through the spine, leaning over to that left side. And now we're going to go to the right side. And to our left again, and stretching through the side body. We're going to speed up the pace just a little bit. Inhaling up, exhaling as we come down. Nice flow here. And coming to a stop. Now we're going to bring our arms up, and we're twisting to the right side. Left hand is on the right knee, right hand is behind. Inhale up, twist to the left side. As we exhale, we're lifting the spine, lengthening the spine as we turn. Very nice. Warming up the spine with these exercises. Inhaling up, bringing the heart forward, lengthening through the chest, keeping our belly button to our spine, engaging the core. We're not hunching over, we're lifting as we hinge at the hips and come forward. We're going to keep our chest nice and open and forward. Coming down only where it's comfortable. And you can sway side to side in this moment, stretching out that low back. Inhale up, arms up overhead. And we're going to externally rotate, bring our arms behind, lengthening up through the spine, lifting the chin, shoulders back and down, squeezing those shoulder blades together behind you. And release. Shake it out. Shake those arms out. Very nice. Okay. We're coming up to our tabletop position. Shoulders stacked over wrists, hips stacked over your knees. Keeping a neutral spine here. We're going to draw our left knee into the chin, extending out behind us with the knee bent. Drawing up through the glutes, tucking, engaging the core, extending, arching the back. This is very much like a cat-cow movement with the spine. So again, we're rounding through the spine as we come in, and then we're arching the spine as we extend the leg. A few more times here. And we're tucking the toes under, coming into our plank position. So we're lifting the hips, straightening the knees, tucking the tailbone slightly, strong through the shoulders, using those fingers, and pressing back into our downward facing dog. You want to engage your belly button to the spine here, keeping our ears next to our biceps, gently rolling the biceps inward, pressing through the hands and lengthening the spine. You can bend the knees here and take some pressure off your hamstrings. Back to our plank position. Holding here, pressing back into our downward facing dog. Back to our plank. Pressing back. See if you can lengthen the spine just slightly longer than you have been. Again, bending through the knees. Bringing those knees down to our tabletop position. We're going to lift our bent knee out to the side, engaging the glutes here. Other side or left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're coming back to our seated position. Legs extended out front. We're going to have bent knees. Coming into our boat position. And we're going to toe touch down on the ground. So we're engaging our core, keeping our chest nice and up and open. Tapping down. Extend up in a sit-up position. Engaging that core. If you need to put your feet underneath something or have someone hold your feet, you can also do crunch position here. Standing position at the front of the mat. We're going to make sure that our ankle and knee and hip are in alignment with our shoulder. We're going to inhale up, arms overhead or out in front, hinging at the waist as we come down in a forward fold. Nice flat back here, extending through the spine. You don't have to touch the floor or your toes. You can grab your ankles, your calves, your knees. The most important thing is that your spine is long and we're not rounding too much through the spine. Stepping back with the left foot. Chest up, looking forward. Bringing the right foot back to meet the left foot. In our plank position, tailbone down, engaging the core. Lower down to the knees. Rolling the elbows in close to the body. Bending the elbows. We're going to slowly lower our chest down to the floor. Pressing the chest up into our cobra position. You can also go into Sphinx, which is forearms on the floor, pressing in and pushing the chest up and back. We want to make sure we're engaging our shoulder blades here, drawing them together behind you. Tuck the toes under, pressing through the hands, lifting the hips into downward facing dog. Make sure that your thighs are rolled in just slightly, pedaling the feet, bending the knees if we need to here, extending the spine, lengthening the spine in this position. Stepping the right leg forward, left knee down to the mat, chest is nice and open. Stepping the left foot to meet the right foot. coming back up to a standing position nice and slow. Pausing here for a breath. Arms up overhead. Hinging forward into forward fold. Stepping our right foot to the back of the mat. Right knee down. Chest is up and forward. Left foot comes to meet the right foot in a plank position. Holding here, lowering down with the knees. Bring the elbows in, lowering the chest to the floor. Pressing up to our Sphinx pose. Tucking the toes under, lifting the hips. Pressing back into our downward facing dog. Make sure your fingers are nice and wide here and strong. You can widen the feet. Lengthening the spine in this position. Left foot comes forward. Bending the knee, you want the ankle and knee in one line. Right foot meets the left foot. We're going to slowly roll back up to our standing position. Hands in prayer position. Taking a minute to just see how you feel here. And we're going to cross the left foot over the right foot, arms up overhead, shifting our weight to the left side, shifting to the right side, feeling that side body stretch here. And switching our feet, we're going to put our right foot across our left foot, arms up overhead, palm tree pose, lengthening to the right and to the left side. You should be feeling some stretch in that outer hip muscle as well. From here, we're bringing our left knee to our right elbow. You can use a wall here if you need some stability, engaging the core as we bring our knee up to meet our elbow. Other side, right knee to left elbow here. Engaging the core. This is a dynamic move. Bring our arms overhead and lowering down into our chair position, swinging the arms back and down. Lengthening up, engaging that core. The hips should go back and down. Spine is nice and straight. Using our arms in this dynamic motion. Very nice. Great job. Thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video and the next flow.